Hello, it's Bekah, and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find comfort and cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. My husband and 4 kids have left to go get lumber this afternoon for our new porch that we're redoing. So I'm home alone for a couple of hours, which is pretty rare around here, but I'm really looking forward to it. I feel a little guilty for saying that, but considering we're a homeschool family and we're around each other quite a lot, I try and remind myself I probably shouldn't feel too bad, and we can always use a bit of peaceful solitude from time to time. But I'm going to use this time to tend our home and our garden. That way when they get home, I'll just feel like I've been productive and of value, and that always feels so good. But I'm really glad you're here with me, and I hope you're doing well, and I'll let you know what I'm doing along the way before they all come back home. So after I tidied up the house and folded a little bit of laundry, I decided to head out to the garden. I used our backhoe to knock out the weeds that have been lingering around for a few days now, and the pumpkin seeds my son and I just planted are sprouting, so we're really excited. I'm really looking forward to fall. I'm in a really big fall mood right now. It's funny how I start craving a new season after the old one begins to start lingering around too long. But the change of seasons, it's very comforting because we can always rely on it, at least where we live. It's comforting to know that every late September I can see the beautiful transformation of the color of a maple leaf, or a change in how the clouds look in the sky, a change of a little home decor to make our house a bit more cozy for the season. But let me know if you're craving autumn time as well, or if you're still enjoying summertime, which I adore as well.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause I love and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story